Welcome back to another presentation of the school billing system. This time around, we shall take student status. The student status modules allow you to deactivate student report card. Now, they based on the um, payment privilege or outstanding balances of students in some schools. They are allowed or not allowed to view the report card. And this system provides an opportunity for the accountant to disable viewing of report card on the system for students that are owing school fees. And this is based on the selection made by the accountant and management. Now we'll also look at closing and moving term balances to the next term. At the end of each term, after all the necessary transactions have been posted, school fees have been records have been payment have been posted, their outstanding balances can be moved to next term, which will form part of the next term invoice for the student. We should quickly take a look at this and understand how it works. On the portal, you go to invoice, view invoice, and you look at history of invoice. History of invoice, what this is does that it helps you to archive invoice for each academic term and session, which you can search for in later years for reconciliation or any other fact. For example, this is invoice for session 2020. This has been archived. This is different from the invoice. This is invoice history. Now you can view the summary as at that time, what the student bought, what made the composition of the school fees at any point in time. This will help you for reconciliation, and the data here comes after you close the term. So additionally, we shall also take a look at invoice student status. Now, once on the student status, you can see all the students' names, and you check the top here. You can see promotion status, edit profile, report card. What we are concerned about right here is the report card uh, section. We want to disable the students that are owing. Once disable them so that when they log in, they won't be able to access the report card. You can see that the report card section here says enabled, meaning that students can view report card. Now, Oyikon Scholarship is not owing, but these students are owing. We can decide to disable both of them by checking them, or disable one of them, or disable everybody on the list and uncheck this. Once we check the necessary students, we just simply click edit, and this will disable the report card of the students. Once they log in, they will not be able to see their report card, and they will have to get back to the school management, and where they will be told the reasons why they've not been able to they are not able to view report card. Other functions can also be disabled here. They can disable them from accessing library, online class, assignment, CBT, and editing profile. And you can disable all these functions for each of the students that are owing school fees according to the criteria you set. To close first term invoices, we go to view invoices, click on first term to bring us to this page. Now, having satisfied that we have made all the necessary payment posting, have added all the necessary additions for each of the students, and their balances unpaid is what it ought to be, and the time has closed. So what we are supposed to do is that we'll click close third term. That's what this button is all about. Now, this balances for income, which is 1 minus overpayment of 11,800, and no balance for Coca, and this for Eri Oluwa. These are the balances I want us to concentrate on. Other balances will be moved. Now, all these balances will be moved from first term to second term automatically and be added to that invoice. So all we have to do is just click close first term, and it will ask you about, are you sure you want to close first term? All records will be moved to next term. Just click OK, and it's saying processing. Will please wait. So you wait till the process is done. So as you can see, we are now in second term from our first term. The balance for income solar, which is 1118, an overpayment has been brought down here to second term, and the outstanding for Eri, which is 261, has also been brought down and added to what is payable in this term. And so the new unpaid for income solar, Simon Coca has zero balance. The new unpaid for income solar is this, less the overpayment, and the new unpaid for Eri is this, plus the overpayment. So if we want to see further how we are at this, we can click more, like I showed earlier on, and we can see that the balance is the first item, which makes up the total that we have here. So that is it for the close of term, which is a very important mechanism. So that is it for the end of this presentation.